Well, una sa lahat, hindi ko masyadong gets yung intersectionality nung pong non-appearance ng mga kong sa supposed moves to impeach the Vice President on the basis of additional funding for 2026. No? So tingin ko, para magkaibang bagay po yun and we shouldn't conflate it. And more importantly, I don't think it's accurate to say that no one actually went to the ICI proceedings because as far as I remember, Majority Leader Sandro Marcos was there, Congressman Nicky Briones was there, and several other House members actually attended that particular proceeding. So yun, I think that's the first point that needs to be made. So that is factually incorrect. No? But secondly, hindi ko lang batayan po para sabihin na there are funds being made available to impeach the Vice President at this point. I think whatever moves that will happen by the 5th of February, by the 6th of February will be undertaken independently of whatever it is that is being alleged. No? Kasi impeachment proceedings naman po are not based on projects that are promised. No? Impeachment proceedings are based on quests for truth and accountability, particularly on the use of confidential funds. No? So the basis for the impeachment last year has not changed actually for 2026. So if House members or civil society would want to file it again as soon as the one-year ban is finished, I think they are free to do so. And I don't think they will be motivated by any promises of any projects for 2026.